Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back. Happy New Year to everybody. And hopefully everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. It is the last Sunday of the year, 2017. Thank you guys for watching, subscribing, and commenting. And now we have another Amazon unboxing to do. The last one of the year. And it's coming from HELOIDEO, I believe. We're going to check it out inside. You guys can get one at low cost. Click on the link below. Save some money for the new year. Take advantage of Amazon Prime. There we go. Now we have to show you guys. Whoa. Look at this thing. Boom. I hope you guys can see it. Focus. There we go. Improving your mobile life. E. It looks like the internet sign. There we go. This is big. I like this so far. Here we go. Oh, this is really nice. Look at this. This would be good for the Nintendo Switch. All your portable gaming devices. Look at this beast. Dang. This thing, well, still got some juice. This thing is huge. I think they're, oh wow. What was that noise? There we go. Plug it in the wall like that. Bam. HELOIDEO. Boom. That thing's nice. Really nice. Like I said, you guys can get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link. There's a plug on the out. There's a cable. Oh, sweet. There it is. Look at this thing. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a little cord. Man, this thing's pretty bulky though, but it's really good though. Let's see the charge, the specs. Oh, I can charge your laptop, camera, GPS, smartwatch, mobile phone, tablet, MP3, MP4. Here it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. Dang. Is that white balance? There it is. So the bigger one, it must be like the gaming, 6 hours, 9.5 hours for phone camera. Good stuff. I'm excited. And like I said, YouTubers, you guys have a good new year. Be safe out there. Use my code UberStout if you guys need a free ride. And then I'm going to plug it in my phone right now. Boom, it works. There it goes. See, it's charging my phone up right now. I know you guys can't tell, but it is. Maybe I could show. Somehow it's plugged in right there. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good one again, and I will see you guys next year. See ya.